Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lowell to Lake Village to near Hopkins Park, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wheatfield, Thayer, Simava Resorts, Ruse Lawn, Bailey's Corner, Mount Ayr, Hanging Grove, Brook, Stoutsburg, Forsman, Lamont, Fair Oaks, Morocco, Parr, Lowell, Schneider, Shelby, Remington, Lake Village, Rensselaer, Collegeville, Lake Delacarlia, and Hopkins Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA